Kim, and today I want to show you how I made this 2-page layout using our torn edge layout dies. I used 3 different sets on this, which a round set, a square set, and a rectangle set. So let's take a look at the round set first. The round set is an 8-piece nesting set. You've got 2 inches all the way up to 5.5 inches. Again, it's that torn edge type of look. And I use that on this piece. I cut out 2 of them. Well, I actually cut out 1 and cut it in half. There's 1 half, and the other half is over here. The second die I used is from our square torn edge set, which is a nested set of 5, which after it cuts out will fit a 5x5, 4x4, 3.5 by 3.5, 3x3, and 2x2 inch photo, which are all standard size photos. This is the square set. So I have the 5x5, 4x4, 2x2 all up here, a 3x3, and a 4x4 size as well. But instead of a picture, I just chose to do trick or treat, smell my feet little icon right there. And then the last set I used would be the layout die set, the rectangle torn edge. Again, a nested set of 5, and this fits a 5x7, 4x6, 3.5 by 5 inch, 3x4 inch, and 2.5 by 3.5 inch photo after these are cut out. So the rectangle, I've got a 4x6 right here, 3.5 by 5 inch, 3.5 by 5 inch, a second one, a 3.5 by 2 inch, and this would be a 3x4 inch. So I'm able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 photos on one page if I wanted to do that. So you guys enjoy using rectangle, a circle, and a square, all 3 sets on one layout, or you can stick to just square, just a circle, or just rectangle. So again, this is the torn edge, all 3 sets. You enjoy.